Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Welcome to HTS. My name is Leo Sotelo, and if you're wondering who this guy is, this is your first time here. I teach a lot of website traffic, free and paid website traffic, for you to get more traffic to your business, so you could get more out there. So this is the internet marketing world, as you are here, and I'm going to be sharing with you 3 free ebooks that I'm giving away to all of you out there that can help you in 2024. So let's get started. First, I like to start off with a little quote. Little minds are tamed and subdued by misfortune, but great minds rise above it. So that's perfect for all of you out there going into the new year. If you're new to all this internet marketing, subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell to get notified of future videos that will be popping up pretty soon. I got some more cool stuff coming on. So let's get started here. I don't want to take up too much of your time. I want to share with you the 3 free ebooks for internet marketing that I want to give to all of you out there. Now, the links will be to all these ebooks. They'll be in the description below this video. Also, leave me some comments. I'd like to know more about you, know who you are, and we could collaborate or talk however you like. So, powered up with AI. Let me open this up so you get the full view. Powered up with AI, and I have all my ebooks, so you could watch them on any device that you feel like you is more convenient for yourself, whether it's your phone, your iPad, your laptop, whatever it may be. All my ebooks will be perfect for all of them. So here we go right here. All you have to do right here, like I said, the link will be in the description. You are going to have to fill out a form. Now, let me kind of open this up real quick. So I want to mention to you about the form. When you fill out the form, you're going to land into my database. Now, if you do not want to receive any emails from me or any updated new stuff that I got have coming out, because I do a lot of research for new AI stuff. If you don't want any of that, you just want your ebook, feel free to get your ebook and opt out. No hard feelings, okay? I ain't gonna hold it to you. So you can do whatever you want here. This is for you, and I'm gonna show you the table of contents of these books to kind of show you and for you to decide if this could help you in your internet marketing business. So here we go. Powered with AI. Powered with AI. This ebook right here contains table of contents on why is SEO important for your small business. Excuse me, I ain't got my glasses on. Why is online reputation so important? Why is internet marketing, and why is it important to your business? How to invest in internet marketing when you are broke. Imagine that, starting off when you're broke, you don't have nothing. And I'm going to have some more videos popping up here in case you want to go there. There's free ways and there's paid ways. Each have their own benefits. So, can you get more sales with email marketing? Specific things your blog should do. How the first day of internet marketing can change your business for the better. Why you should hire experienced internet marketer professionals for your business. So that's like outsourcing, stuff like that. That's what that means. Like I said, you get this ebook, you get to read every single thing. Why link building is crucial to your online success. What are keywords and why do we need them? Speaking of keywords, stick around because I got an ebook specifically for the keywords, and it's pretty cool. So that's book number 1, Powered Up with AI. Book number 2 is called Internet Marketing Worldwide. So let's take you there. The same thing. You fill out the form here. I'll send you this book directly to your inbox. Internet Marketing Worldwide, some of the finest techniques for internet marketing. So I always put in my about the author, a little bit about me, kind of explain how I started and all that. So best ways to start online marketing with little money. How businesses can thrive the right type of online marketing. Top ways to let everyone know that your company exists. Internet marketing tips for beginners. What are the basic rules of blogging for more traffic? So if you're looking for more traffic, let me kind of stop you there. If you're looking for more traffic, you could always browse through some of my other videos. I have a lot of videos right here. And let me kind of show you. I have a lot of videos on marketing. I got some videos. If you're doing video marketing, there's some other things besides YouTube, some alternatives that will show you in my main video that pops up. I got a lot of stuff here for you to go check out. New if you're doing a podcast right here, there's just different marketing channels that you could go pick one or two. 16 million monthly visits. If you're interested in that, go watch that video. It's still relevant till today. So go check it out. I make sure my stuff stays relevant as well. So let's get back over here. Tips to improve your marketing company, how you can improve their small, simple marketing techniques. Uh, Learn how quickly proper online marketing can change your business for the better. Tips for improving your content marketing. What is a bounce rate and why is it important? I learned that kind of the tough way on one of my websites. Um, I can't share that website here, but I did learn about it, and that's very important when you start looking at the analytics of your website and how it's performing. So get this ebook in the description below as well. This ebook is Internet Marketing Worldwide, some of the finest techniques. And all you do is you apply what you learn here. You apply everything you learn. So my next ebook is called Your Keywords Matter. Rank your business. Keywords are important. When you're using the search engines, or you're placing ads, however it may be. Even here on YouTube, if you're doing something on YouTube, you want your keywords to target the right audience. So let me get into this book right here. Let me click over here. Rank your business. A little bit about me. To internet marketing tips for beginner. Okay. Um, Anyone can improve their business with simple marketing techniques. Top reasons why you should wait no longer to start marketing your company online. Getting your business noticed by blogging. Best ways to start online marketing with little money. Why? Excuse me. Let me open it. I can zoom in. Duh. Why you don't want to wait until tomorrow to start your online marketing. Why Google AdWords is so important. Top ways to let everyone know your online company exists. Should you write your blogs or hire a writer? Top SEO tips for website owners. So in this book right here, I they do have some links to some really cool, awesome tools that you can use for your business. You could check them out if you like. I just wanted to let you know out there. There's 3 internet marketing books right here to help you for 2024. A lot of these strategies, a lot of this information right here, a lot of people are actually charging for it, and I'm giving it all to you for free. Now, whether if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up to help share my videos. The algorithm will share my videos with other people, and let's see what else I have for you. I think that's all I have for you in this video. I'm going to be making some more videos pretty soon about I got some new websites that I built, and I kind of want to show you what I'm using to get those to get the rankings higher on the search engines, SEO as well. So internet marketing, if you got a business out there, whether it's a mom and what's it called, brick and mortar they call it, the shop, these books right here will help you as well if you want to make your your business kind of spread through the whole internet. And you could do it with store affiliate marketing. You could do it with softwares, whatever it may be. A lot of things here on the internet. So I hope I didn't take up too much of your time, everybody. I hope I didn't take up too much of your time. If you like this video, like I said, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, tap the notification bell, and get more notifications when more of my videos come out. All right, thank you very much. Have a good day.